Hello, welcome back, guys. This is Prasad, and we are talking about the Userform series in back-to-back videos. This is the last video for this series, but this is a very lengthy, so I split this video to four parts. So first part in about we learn about the login page and multiple agents. Then date and time. Then part two we will learn about data form and how to use the count formula in VBA. Part three we will talk about advanced filter and edit data, and then fourth part is the time management and breaks. So upcoming parts we will talk about that. So first of all, you need to understand how is this tool is working. So I go to developer tab, visible basic, and here is a user form, and when I run this user form, so this form is allocated to window, and this is a login, and this is a time, and this is user form, password, and login. So when I log in to my name, I use my username here, Prasad, and here is Baker, and I password, put down here the password and log in this. So this is a login done successfully and data entry form in front of you. Okay, so this is a data entry. So first of all, I enter the one name here, Neil, Neil Tom. Okay, and then here is address Tom. Sorry, here is address USA. His bank account number 123456789 and 8. Okay, and then verification done. Then his mail and his status has been complete. So when I submit this, so data went to database. Okay, and count is 7. So Prasad Pedka has been complete the cases 7, and these cases, if you want to check, to you will get the view case tab. Okay, so here, and then I filter to Prasad Pedka, and then search data 7 count, and this data, this entry added to last. Neil Tom, USA, his mobile number, sorry, bank number, and his verification done, gender, and status has been completed. So I need to change the status. I need to paint the status. So I can do this. When I select here, paint, and update here, so data has been changed. This status has been changed. When I refresh here, so this status has been changed. So this is a very interesting advanced filter and edit formula. And then break, if agent went to go to break, so they start is break, your break is start, and this is a watch, and whenever they came to text, then this total break to in front of their agents. Okay, your end break is 15 seconds, then okay, then again I click on home, and then I will get this data entry, and this is a username, this is a title, this is a date and time and count to particular agents, and this is a logout page. Okay, so logout page also capturing the total productions are 6.28. So daily basis they counted the production also, productions are also. So here is the data, here is the data, and here is the agent name where the capture to user phone, Prasad Pedkar, he is login time, login start and time, and then total production, then break, he is taken to particular days, break start and break end, then total break. So everything captured to particular sheets. So this is the tool is working, and I hope you will uh, get the information regarding this. And upcoming part we will learn about the four parts, so which I told you that uh, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 upcoming videos will be make as soon as possible. So this is for my side, guys. Thank you and very much. Hope you like my videos. Thank you and very much.